What's up, traders? It's Masood from London. I'm going to present to you a market analysis video for next week, the week that is going to start on 4th of September 2023. You know that my market forecast videos are very popular and they have a very good result. So I hope that you follow them and earn some pips. Also, don't forget to join my live streams, to earn some free pips on live streams as well. The first pair today is gold. Right, let's zoom in a bit so that you can see it clearly. Um, if you see gold on daily time frame, it is on this resistance level, right? It is on this resistance level. And if you further go down on 4 hour time frame, this previous candle uh, was bearish, and then the on Fridays it closed on this candle. So let's remove this daily zone. At the moment on 4 hour, here are two scenarios you need to keep in your mind. If it breaks this 4 hour support, if gold breaks this 4 hour support down, then it has a free range on the left and it is likely to touch these lows. And if gold breaks above this resistance, then likely to touch these highs. So what I would like to do is wait either gold to break down this support and then take it down here, or break above this resistance and then take the gold to this resistance. Next pair is USD JPY. USD JPY, let's quickly look on daily time frame, then 4 hour time frame, and then go to the 1 hour time frame. So here are two scenarios for you on USD JPY as well on 1 hour time frame. If it breaks up above this resistance level, then it is likely at least to go, there are quite a bit of pips available to touch this resistance. However, if it breaks down this support, it is likely to come to these lows. So I would ideally like it to break either above or below this these structures to trade USD JPY. Next pair is a USD CHF. Let's look at daily time frame first. So clearly say that you can clearly see that it is on an uptrend. On a daily time frame, this last candle has closed above this resistance level, and if you go on 4-hour time frame, what I would like to do is let's adjust this level to here and make it a 4-hour time frame level. So what I would like USD CHF to do is, if it breaks above this level, then it is very much likely to go to these highs at least, and then further up. So what I would like to do is I would wait gold on a 4-hour time frame to break this level, either time frame. I mean, I'm analyzing it on 4-hour time frame, and this is a 4-hour resistance. So I would like it to break above, and if it breaks above, then after the confirmations, after pullback, retest, and further wait for the momentum, bullish momentum to come in the market, and then take it to these highs. Next pair is NZD USD. Daily time frame, 4-hour time frame. Let's have a quick look on 1-hour time frame. So that's your 1-hour time frame. It's on a support level at the moment. If just 1 second, guys. If it breaks down this 1-hour time frame, 1-hour support level, if it breaks down, then it is highly likely to come down to these lows. So what I would like to do is wait for it to break down this 1-hour support line. If it breaks down, and then trade it down to these lows. And if it breaks, it's in a range at the moment. If it breaks above, then it can go up to these highs. Next pair is GBP USD. Daily time frame quickly, it's very close to this. It's at a daily support at the moment, actually. It's at a daily support. Let's have a look at 4-hour time frame. Yeah, I mean, if it breaks down this support, whether on 4-hour or daily, then there are chances that it can go further down. So I will not trade it at this support level. I would like whether it breaks down or not, and then I will decide to take a trade. Next pair is GBP NZD. A quick look at daily. Okay, so on a daily time frame, it has broken this support and closed below this daily candle has closed below this level, support level. So 4 hour. So what I would ideally do is, I mean, there is a lot of range available. So it looks like that it will keep on going down, in my opinion. This is the daily support and then further down. Next pair is Euro USD. Euro USD, same situation. Broken down. This last daily candle was bearish and it closed below this level, and next support is here. So there are quite a bit of pips available if it keeps on going down around 94 pips. So yeah, I mean, what I would like to do is I will check the confirmations, and if the seller pressure is still there, then it should go further down. Next pair is EuroCAD. EuroCAD is yeah, again, last week Thursday's daily candle broke this support level, closed below the support level, and then this next is only a wick basically. Friday's candle, it broke back up and then closed with a very small body below this level. So my prediction would be that it will keep on going to at least these lows. And the last pair is Euro AUD. Absolutely same kind of scenario. Thursday's candle last week uh, were closed below this support level, and the next candle also closed below. So that's a daily time frame. So my prediction is that in my opinion it can keep on further going down. Only take these trades if you agree with my analysis and your analysis says the same. Don't over risk it. Use smaller time frames, smaller lot sizes, and if there are confirmations available, only then take the trade. Until next video, traders, look after yourselves.